Hello everyone, it's Now here. Today I want to show you how to use Area Text tool in Adobe Illustrator, which to put text into your desired shapes. Let's get started. Okay, so let's open Illustrator and make some shapes you want to apply the text. Then go to the sidebar and usually under the text tool you can find Area Text tool. If you can't find Area Text tool in your Illustrator, go down to the bottom of the sidebar and access that three dots. Then open the window and under Type, you can find the Area Text tool here. With the Area Text tool, click on the shape you previously made. Then the text shows in the area of the shape. The point here is to click on the edge of the shape. Not click in the middle of the shape, it won't work. Let me show you a little more about the Area Text tool. If you want to make the text block like this on your design, Area Text tool will be a perfect tool for you. First, you make the shape and duplicate it in the exact same place with the Command C and Command F. Make sure you have two shapes. Then go to the Area Text tool and apply the text on the top shape. In this case, the bottom shape still remains and ends up the nice text block. But there is more. Keep selecting the text and back to Area Text tool and double click it. Then the dialog box pops up. In the dialog box, you can change the number of the columns inside the space as well. Of course, you can do this in any shape you like. Let's make the circle this time. Once you have the shape, then duplicate it with the Command C and Command F. And make sure you have two shapes. Then go to the Area Text tool and click on the edge of the top circle. Then double-click the Area Text tool on the sidebar. Adjust the text inside of the dialog box. There you go. Once you got Area Text tool, you can apply the text in not only the simple shapes like rectangles or circles, but also other unique shapes you like. So this is how to use Area Text tool in Adobe Illustrator. I hope it helps. Thanks for watching. See you next time.